lights all out in the night, I stand by your side, 'cause I see the light in your eyes. I'm all
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, I'm Brianna, MUA. Here we are yet again with a client tutorial. This time on my chocolate love, Janika. Most of her face is already done. But yeah, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now. Hit the bell so you never miss a beat or any of my uploads. Go ahead and thumbs up the video and leave me a comment below. So yeah, we've already done most of her face. I primed it. I used Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the number 368. And I also did her brows using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. Today, this particular day, I was using the Anastasia Beverly Hills um, Soft Glam palette to use on her eyes. And I did like a darker cut crease look. I used one of the reddish colors in the crease, and more of like a chocolate brown to deepen the crease. And then I'm just cutting the crease with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, I believe in the shade Toffee. It really doesn't matter, just as long as it's light enough to pick up a lighter shade, because you want this to actually pop. And I ended up changing up what I actually was going to do. I was going to do like a gold halo kind of look, but I really didn't like it. So I used shimmer shade. So I actually went in with more of a red glittery tone, but you'll see all that in just a second. So yeah, like I said, I really didn't like how that color scheme was going. And then I used the red and used the pigment that I got from Mayo Makeup. And I just put that on using my NYX glitter glue. And that really helped it stick and stay, because the Mayo Makeup, the pigments are kind of like powder. And so they're really hard to stick. So I end up having to use that. Just speeding up that process, just assuring that it's neat as possible. And since I had already put her foundation on, I didn't really want to have to clean up a lot of fallout, because I did color correct prior to her foundation application. So I didn't want to have to wipe too much product away. Now I'm just using my Neutrogena makeup wipe and kind of getting rid of that product or fallout. Now I'm going in with a I believe it's a limited edition, a gold eyeliner I got from MAC, and I'm just emphasizing that cut crease with this liner, and it's very, very pretty. So just to add some pizzazz to the look. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. And then I'm just going to add a tad bit of the shade Toffee just to brighten up the under eye. And then with a damp beauty blender, I'm going to be buffing that concealer into the skin. Speeding up that process as well. And what I like to do is make sure I get under the crease area as best as I can. So I always have my clients look up, and I do it to myself as well, to the ceiling, look up towards the ceiling so I can get into those creases under the eye, which I will do so with her. And then using my Sacha Buttercup Cosmetics setting powder, which I really love, especially for deeper skin. And making sure that concealer is nice and set. Excuse my ashy elbows, y'all. So now I'm going in and bronzing the face. You can use anything pretty much like eyeshadow. I believe I'm using one of the Black Radiance sets with the highlighter and the contour powder. And then I kind of mixed in the Jeffree Star Miso Fleek bronzing and blush duo, which is very pretty. And for highlight, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills, that Glow palette. And I'm using the golden shade in that palette to accentuate her cheeks and give her a natural glow on the chin, the tip of the nose, and the bridge of the nose as well. And then just a tad bit on the forehead. And for lashes, I'm using Kiss lashes, most likely some sort of wispy. Those are more natural looking lashes. Yeah, us Libras are so silly. Ain't no telling what we were cracking up laughing about. But anywho, going in with one of my favorite lip liners, Chestnut, to line her lips. And then I'm just going to be adding a nude-like lippy and topping it off with the Fenty lip gloss. And then at the end, when I'm done with the look, I love to go in with a brow pencil to kind of accentuate or give a more natural look to the brows, which we tend to wipe off when putting on foundation if you do your brows first. Then going in with my clear brow gel to set the brows. And then going in with some black gel liner for the top to give a more sexy look. Hello. And then just going in with that Patrick Star duo and adding a little color underneath the lash line. Just wrapping this look up. Turn out very beautiful. And there you have it, you guys. I hope you love it. Thank you for watching.